Here's 7 big changes to lockdown laws from the 1st of June 2020 in England as mentioned in the Health Protection Coronavirus Restrictions England Amendment No. 3 Regulation 2020. Big change 1. You cannot stay overnight other than at your home unless you have a reasonable excuse. Gone is the phrase, you may leave or remain outside the place where you are living without reasonable excuse. Big change 2. There's no more reasonable excuses to leave one's home. Regulation 6 is completely changed. Gone are the 15 or so list of reasonable excuses you once had to have to leave one's home and remain outside, such as to buy basic necessities, or to exercise, or to go out for work. In place are reasonable excuses you need to have if you're going to stay overnight other than at your home, which could be for work purposes, or if you're an elite athlete involved in training or competition abroad, or you've been instructed to quarantine in a place not your home. Big change 3. Places of worship can now be used to provide early years childcare. Big change 4. There's new limits on private and public gatherings, Regulation 7. No gatherings can take place in private of 2 or more from different households, or in public of 7 or more from different households. 6 is the maximum in public. There are exceptions when gatherings in public and private can exceed the numbers mentioned, such as for work, to attend school, elite athletes in training or competition, so elite team sport gatherings are allowed. Being a spectator in the stadium or crowd is not. Big change 5. As long as you stay within the limits on the numbers in your gathering of mixed households, this means in public you can have a barbecue, exercise together, pray together in a park, although not in a place of worship because they remain closed. And remember, you still can't have general gatherings of mixed households in one's home unless there are exceptions, such as looking after an elderly parent or having caring responsibilities. There's no mention in the regulation of the 2 metre advice, and so this remains guidance, not law, which means the police cannot enforce this in a gathering of 6 people if they are within 2 metres of each other. Big change 6. Outdoor markets and car showrooms are now allowed to reopen. Big change 7. There are now significant differences and similarities between the regulations in England and the rest of the UK. Please check the regulations as they apply to these home nations. The English regulations are now reviewed no later than 28 days, not 21 days as previously done. Thank you for watching. Keep updated to changes to emergency laws. Please subscribe to Community Legal Education. And may the justice be with you.